Hello everybody, my name is Charles Manase, a handsome youth of 21, and I'm here to do stand-up comedy for y'all people. And the reason why I picked stand-up comedy is, in all honesty, comedy is my life. I actually love doing comedy, and I love it when people smile, and I hope you smile when you watch this, so please vote for me. Alright, as always, I will jump straight into it. And I really don't have a lot to talk about this week, but all I have to say is y'all people have to look at the date. We're almost at the end of February. And February, traditionally, is known as the month of love for all y'all people who believe in, you know, the cuddly, lovey, waddy, waddy, blah. Yeah, I find it disturbing. Valentine's Day passed, yeah. I spent my Valentine's Day with, you know, a dirty magazine, half a tub of Vaseline, and, you know, a paper towel. No, I'm just playing. I'm playing with you people. I'm playing. I was actually a full tub of Vaseline. But, yes. Woo! February is also the month where you find out that 90% of your girlfriend is fake. I'll explain. On Valentine's Day, y'all women, you know, I love women. Okay, that sounded wrong. But, women, you're beautiful as you are. I don't understand why you have to pamper yourself and trim up and, you know, do all sorts of crazy things. Because on Valentine's Day, I swear, every girl that I saw looked particularly fake. She had extensions, you know, every woman had extensions, fake lashes, all sorts of goldish crap on their faces, you know. You got push-up bras, body trimmers, high heels for added height. Sheesh. I bet there was a guy who went to sleep on Valentine's Day next to a prim, you know, lovely little 22-year-old. He woke up next to a 30-year-old man. Because, what are you laughing? It says, y'all people, y'all women are fake artists. They're con artists to death. But, yeah, you gotta love them. And people don't really know what love is, in all honesty. Because love is being able to take in a person, you know, with their good parts and their bad. But especially with their bad. And I challenge everybody out there. I challenge you this. I want you to look at your partner and take her with, or him, or both, whatever, with their bad parts as well. Now, someone should have told me this earlier, because I got a girlfriend once. Wow. Yeah, once. It was like a one-time thing. I made the mistake once. And this girl was at my house. You know, we're talking, we're having fun, you know. We made out just a little. My parents didn't know until now. And she just stood up. She goes, you know what, let me just go powder my nose. Can I use your bathroom, you know? And then she goes into my bathroom. Why do you use powder your nose as euphemism for taking a crap? I don't get it. This girl walked into my bathroom to powder her nose, you know, and she walks back out. And, you know, I needed to answer the call of nature. So I walked in there too, right after she left. Dear Lord. It's just walking like, it was like walking into a war zone. You go, poof. Whoo! You close the door. She was like, that was fast. I was like, hey. Then I sat down next to her, and then she goes, give me a kiss. I was like, what for? You know, it was, you know, and it's really hard. I think that's exactly what happened to Jay-Z. That's how he got the whole big lip thing going on. No, I swear. I think he was dating Beyonce, and, you know, they were making out, and then she goes, let me go, you know, powder my nose, you know, upgrade myself, you know, kind of deal. She goes to the bathroom. She does her thing, you know. She walks out. Jay-Z walks in there, all normal and shit. He goes, boom. And the look stuck, you know, the look kind of stuck. He goes, I got no problem. This chick is one. You know, I think that's exactly what happened, you know. And then I really try to imagine all these people, like the famous people, the Halle Berrys, the Beyoncés, you know, the Michael Jordans, your Allen Iversons, all these guys you see on TV, all the cute guys, beautiful women. And imagine them taking a crap. That's just nasty. I mean, no offense. Hey, I know I did a Michael Jackson piece last week, but now, seriously, imagine Michael Jackson taking a crap. That's just nasty. That guy would just, not even, he just does the whole kick, turn, and then hat, lowers himself to the toilet. You know? You know, and then he lowers himself nicely, you know how it is, you know, he sits down. And then it's not coming out, so the nigga starts going, I got to. You know? And then when it finally comes out, it drops like a cup and goes, whoo! You know, looks at the toilet paper, you know, wipes himself and then goes, hee hee. You know, who's bad? You know what I'm saying? And no, same thing with Beyonce. Honestly, you know. Jay-Z knocking on the door. Go, 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 go. B, let's go. We know we got the BET Awards to go to. Beyonce's busy going, oh, it's too big. It's too big. It's too I had a huge chicken. You know, you know everybody has a crab face, honestly, everybody has a crab face. Let's not lie to each other. You all have a crab face. You know, the face you put on when you're doing your thing, you know. Mine personally is, you know. So, I don't know everybody's crab face, seriously. I don't know your crab faces, but I do know the crab positions, right? And crab positions. This is the I'm bored. This is the I'm really bored. This is the I really wish we'd get this over with. Also known as a ski man. This is the I got time to burn. This is my personal favorite, the socialite. And then we have my personal favorite again, the guava season. You know you gotta hit that position. Like you hit it once in your life, you know that. And then you got the foot stamp, you know. You know, and ladies and gentlemen, like crap, I would just like to stand up and I would say I'm about to take my leave. Don't cut it yet, don't cut it yet. Because one more thing, you ever had that little bit of crap that after you flash it doesn't go away? Yeah, no, seriously, what? It's there, the one that like, it just floats there and then you look at it like, what do you want from me? Go! You know, you just feel like, all right, you know, like everything good, I have to go, so peace out.